Hello everyone, my name is Shorav and welcome to my 20th video of HTML5 tutorial series. In our last tutorial we have seen how we can add rows and columns to a table and also have added a border to our table. Today we are going to discuss about few more HTML5 border properties. So let's begin. First of all, we will discuss about how we can get rid of the double border that we have added here. The reason the double border appears here because we have added border to all the table heading and the TD elements. So how we can get rid of that? To do that, all we need to do is add this style. First we declare the border width, border color, and then we will add a new property which is called border collapse. Okay, now let's save it and check in our browser. You can see here the double border that was appearing around each element in the table is now gone and it is now looking much more neat. Next we will discuss about cells that span many columns. So to explain that, we have added a table here where you can see there is name, there is telephone number, and there is one name, whereas there are two telephone numbers and a gap appears here. So how we can fix that? To fix that, all we need to do is go to the th tag where we want to extend the cell length and give a space here and add colspan, which is a short form of column span, equal to, within double quote we just write 2 because we need to extend the cell to 2 cells. Okay, extend the heading to 2 cells and save it. Now let's check it in our browser. You can see here that heading cell has extended along the length here and it has extended for 2 cells. These are cells in a table. Okay, now it is looking much more neat. Next we will discuss about cells that span many rows. To do that, let's consider this table, and you can see here the name is there, the telephone number is there, but there is a gap here because since this cell is not spanning along 2 rows and it is not covering 2 rows, so that's why this cell has jumped to the left side. So how we can fix that? So that this cell appears here just below this and this cell extend till here. So how we do that? To do that, all we need to do is go to this th here and just add rowspan equal to 2. Alright, now let's save it and check in our browser. You can see here it is now looking much more professional and neat. This cell has extended for 2 cells on the right side. So these are called rows in a table and these are called columns in a table. Okay, so here is a brief recap of what we learned in our last tutorial. We have added here columns. These are called columns in the table and these are called column headings in a table. Each block here are cells of a table and these are called rows in a table. To add rows in a table we have used TD tags. Okay, to add rows in a table we have used td tags, and each to add columns to a table we have to add rows to a table we have used tr tags. Okay, and to add columns to a table we have used td tags. Okay, so that's it for now. If you understand this, we are ready to move on to our next tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till then, bye.